Hi guys, I've just videoed this and then realised I'd actually turned the video off. Hey ho, here we go, I'm videoing this again. So this is for everyone that is following the White Rose maths examples, and this is an explanation for anybody that prefers to see something practically on ratio and scale factors. So that mainly for year 6 or anybody that's jumped ahead and just wants to do it. So here we go, ratios for everyone that loves them. Now, if you can have a look at my example, we're doing the ratio of 1 to 3 using sweets. So for every 1 Mawam, we're going to have 3 sweets. So Buster here has 1 strawberry Mawam and Marion has 3. Now, if I wanted to bring along Enid, I'm just going to hide these numbers here, has 4. So Buster has 1, Enid has 3, giving the game away underneath. And Marion has 3 and Enid has 4. Now, you can see the next number. Enid now has 8 on the row underneath. Marion has 6. So how many will Buster have? Well, Buster should now have 2 because we have doubled the numbers. So Buster is now going to have 2. And what we're doing is we're increasing the sizes of our groups. And all you're doing is increasing your times tables. If you look at the pattern. So when one of the ratio goes up, all of the other ones have to follow suit. So if you increase your first ratio, if you double your first ratio, for example, if you times your 1 by 2, so times 1 by 2 you get 2. You times 3 by 2 and you get 6. You times 4 by 2 and you get 8. And hopefully you can see this pattern forming now. So now our ratio is Buster gets 2, Marion gets 6, and Enid has now got 8. If we increase our ratio again and we times this one for Buster again, and he now has 3, then Marion will have to have 9 because 3 lots of 3 are 9. And Enid will have to have 12 because 3 lots of 4 are 12. And as you can see, our ratio has increased by 3 every time. So whatever we do to the first ratio, we have to do for the other 2 to keep them equal. And that's basically how you work out ratio. Whatever you do to the first one, you have to do to the corresponding ratios in your system. Now, the next question was, how do you work out scale factors? Scale factors, it basically comes down to you have to understand the wording. And once you understand the wording of the scale factors, you understand what you have to do. So, let me turn the piece of paper over. This is where I actually turned the video off. So I'll try not to do that again. So what I had was, we take our Mawam again, and we have a 2 by 2 square. So it's not really a square, it is actually, excuse the dog hair. It is, obviously they're rectangular in shape, but here we have a 2 by 2 square. So we are going to increase this square by a scale factor of 2. All that means is we're going to make it larger by 2. We're going to times it by 2. As you can see, I've written here 2 by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So that means we're going to enlarge this by 4. So to enlarge this by 4, we have to increase the size of it by 2. So you add on another 2. So if this is times 2, we're going to increase it. We're going to double it in size. So if we double it in size, we make it 2 times bigger. So it becomes double its size. So if she can actually get the shapes the same size. So here we go. I'm just getting a bit carried away now. And there you have it. You have 2. A shape is twice its size. And that is a scale factor of 2. I have doubled it. Now the other way I was going to show you how to do this was I have made a baby post-it note. So this was a rectangle post-it note. So here is a square post-it note. Imagine this post-it note was 5 by 5. So this is a 5 centimetre by 5 centimetre square post-it note. And you are told to scale this, increase its scale factor by 2. That is the same as saying double it. All you would then do is times it by 2, and it would become a 10 centimetre by 10 centimetre square, which is as simple as doing this. You see, 1 square, 2 square. That is scale factors shown practically. I hope that makes it a little bit more easier for anyone that prefers to see things done practically. Have a lovely morning. The sun is coming out, and I will see you later for the daily reads. Bye bye.